Hello, welcome to the Mockup Oasis. Thank you very much for your purchase. I greatly appreciate it. Here's a short tutorial that you can use if you find any issues using this template, okay? It's very simple. I try to make it as simple as possible. Everything is organized for you. So here is where you will place your design, where you see the red eye. Underneath that, you have where you would change your colors. You have your color options. Okay, so let me show you how to place your design. Expand that group and you'll see your smart object where you will place your design. Double click on that smart object. Make sure you're on a smart object, right? And turn that off. Of course, your product will not have this art in here, but just turn that off and you will drag your art into the smart object, right? And you will modify it however you seem fit. Shape the picture to the frame. A little quick tip. If you just want to move one end of your picture, just hold shift and it will just adjust one end, the end that you are trying to move versus the whole canvas, the whole picture. You see how that just fit back in there. But you just want to be careful that it does not, distort your image to a way that you don't want to. But that's another way to adjust your picture. It stretches when you do it like that. You just fit it like that without losing the quality, integrity, and the look of your picture. That's one way to do it, okay? So once you have your art in here the way you want it, just click done, hit control, or if you have a Mac, it will be Command S, and let it save. Once it's saved, close out that window, and voila, there's your art. Simple as that. Okay, very simple for you. And so for the colors, that's just as simple. We go down to your color change, right? Let's expand the color change. I have here 3 options for you where you can change the entire room color, just the wall color, or just the curtain color, okay? What you see available now, what wall and the chair, of course, but yes. What you see showing in color now is the wall and the curtain, okay? So we're going to go on those 2 first to show you how to adjust those colors. So if you want to change the color, just click in that box somewhere over here, not on the frame itself, but somewhere over here, or the adjustments panel. When you click that, the layer mask properties will show up. You don't want that. What you want is the adjustment properties, the color properties to show up. So you can either click in there or click on the adjustment panel itself. All right, and so your color options will come up. What you need to do is just come up here. You can do that and go side to side, or you can just hold the little white node, whatever that you call it, and move over, okay? And so you have your red, your oranges, your yellows, greens, blues, purples, pinks, and red. Okay. And your saturation will more turn it to more what we would say neutral color. As if you go higher and higher, it will make that color a lot more bolder. Okay. Your lightness, of course, it darkens it up, makes it like a cherry red, or look at that burgundy. It's beautiful, ain't it? You can do it like that, or you can lighten it up, make it more like a pinkish, reddish, just play around with it, see how you will want it to be. All right. And your curtain, same thing for your curtain. Either click over here or in the adjustments and it'll change your curtains as well. See? And you have your red, right? The same way with both, with all actually. Let's do your entire room. Turn that on. So again, either click in there or click on the adjustments and you take that handle and you move it over to whatever color you desire. Okay, however you want to, whatever color you desire, however bold or neutral you want it to be, however light or dark you want it to be. That is up to you. The option is yours. It is made for you to be able to personalize it to your touch. But again, this is the entire room. It just puts that shade over everything. Except your art, of course. You don't have to worry about the color affecting your art. That's blocked out. But it just puts that that shade over everything at once. So you can, use that option, or you can use this option and just do your wall, or you can just do your curtain, or you can do both. The option is yours either way. So that is how you use this mock-up. Play around with it, make it yours. I would love to see your art. If anyone have time to come back at the feedback and let me see what you come up with, very exciting. Thank you very much for stopping at the Mock-Up Oasis and shopping with me. I greatly appreciate it. I hope to see you back soon and keep you as a regular customer as well. Have a blessed day. Bye.